Welcome to AusCryptoComp, brought to you by Vematrader. Prove your trading skills through 5 different trade setups. Enter a display name for the leaderboards. Check out who your competitors are on the leaderboard. Check your own performance on each challenge. On the charting screen, tap the right-hand side of the screen to see the chart. You'll see a trigger has already been added for you. Tap once to select it. Tap and drag to move the selected trigger around. Tap the left-hand side of the screen to get back to the trade panel. Select your trade direction and strategy. On the chart, you can now drag your take profit and stop loss orders. Tap once to select, tap and drag to move the selected object. Feel free to explore the risk management and journal sections. Click Simulate at the bottom to submit your trade. Be sure to stop by and say hi to the team at AusCryptoComp. We'd love to meet you. Happy trading!